Hi guys! Today we make a video collage in InShot. First, unlock your phone and open the InShot app normally. Once the app opens, you'll see different editing options on the screen. Here, simply tap on video because we want to make a collage using videos. Don't worry, this is the correct starting point and we'll move step by step from here. After tapping video, you'll now see the new option. Just tap on it and your phone gallery will open automatically. This is where you can choose the first video for your collage. So go ahead and select the main video you want to use first. Once you select your first video, tap the checkmark icon on the bottom right side. This will import your video into InShot timeline. Now, your first video is added successfully, and honestly, this is where your collage starts taking shape. Now the video will appear on your screen, so you can resize or adjust it however you like. You can pinch in, zoom out, or move it smoothly. Make sure it fits nicely because a clean layout always looks better. Luckily, InShot makes this part really easy. After adjusting the first video, look at the toolbar above the timeline area. You'll find many tools there, but we need the pip option. Tap on it because this lets you add another video on top, which creates the collage effect. Once you tap pip, your gallery opens again automatically. Now choose the second video that you want in your collage. Try selecting a video that matches well with the first one, because that makes the final result look more professional and fun. After selecting the second video, tap the checkmark icon again. This imports your second clip directly over the first one. Now you'll clearly see both videos together, and your collage is almost ready. Now simply move the second video anywhere on the screen. You can place it top corner, side by side, or center depending on the style you want. Honestly, this is the fun part because you can design your collage your own way. Once everything looks perfect, tap the check mark to save the adjustments. Then press the play button to preview your collage video. If it looks smooth, that means your collage is ready successfully. So yes, guys, that's how you can make a video collage in InShot very easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. And comment below what InShot tutorial you want next.